Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to add emojis to Discord. So open your browser and type emoji.gg. You have to open this website, and inside of this website you will get unlimited free emojis to use on your Discord. So for example, I want to add this emoji to my Discord, so I'm gonna clicking on it and I'm clicking on download emoji. And now I'm going to my Discord and opening the server and clicking on this icon, server settings, emoji, upload emoji, and I'm selecting the downloaded emoji here. And here you can see the emoji has been uploaded. Now I can change the name of this emoji. And now if I open my server here and if I click on emoji, and here you can see the emoji I just added. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to how to do it. Thank you for watching.